do this 69-point turn to get out of here, which is great. There we go. Okay, everything's wet, but it'll all dry off.
Root beer time. Ugh. Saw another biker.
We're just waiting, sorry.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah, beat it, guys.
Hey, can I get a, I forget what it's called, it's the root beer, but it's like a slushy?
Frozen root beer?
Yeah, yeah, that.
You want with sweet cream or just regular?
Just regular is fine.
That's all for you?
Yeah, that's it. back away, I guess. This is sweet. Oh, man, it's hot. 92% burn. 94, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100%.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
Have a good day.
You too. Man, I parked in like the sunniest spot. And I go, oh, let's go over here. Let's just sit down right on the edge of the shade. Oh. Oh. Man, it's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Wow. Really nice though. Nice out today. Put my garbage in the garbage can because I'm not a Neanderthal. And I throw my garbage out. I care about the environment even though I ride motorcycles all day. Well, I wish.
Wow, it's very nice.
Still recording? Yeah. ABC Foundation Story. Interesting. Alright. So, here's something I don't understand. What's up with cats versus dogs? Like, I've got both. I've got 3 cats and a dog. I love my cats. But I also love my dog. So like, how can you really pick between one or the other? I feel like if I had to pick one overall, probably a dog, because dogs are like, they can defend your home, and that's really cool. But at the same time, cats are really cute and cuddly. It's like it's a hard decision to make, you know? Like it's a big thing to draw a line and say, no, I hate cats, or no, I hate dogs. You know? I feel like that's just super extreme to say that. Like I like both. Both of these. Now, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna play some video games with my friends. Because I may be 19 and I may have a full-time grown-up job. But it's the weekend, so I'm gonna be a 10-year-old and ride bikes and play video games with my friends. Because that's what I do. Because it's fun. Hey everybody, thanks for watching my video. I'll make sure to make a real actual outro for one of them when I get around to it. But so I'm filming my outro outside because I'm yeah, I don't know, I'm filming it outside. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.